So this is the first day in Arequipa, and so far it's very beautiful city. Obviously it's a developing city, but very beautiful. The weather's nice, palm trees around, food is nice, people are nice. So Arequipa is good. Still developing, like I said. Still need the infrastructure, the roads, the railway system, the airports, all this sort of stuff. But very positive about Arequipa so far. I'll let you know how I go on. Downtown commercial area of Arequipa, and this is my good friend Luis.
We're starting the new event here in Arequipa.
Arequipa.
Arequipa. No Arequipa.
Not Arequipa. Good morning. I'm in the beautiful city of Arequipa, the white city with a misty volcano. Beautiful here. The weather, as always in Peru, is perfect. I'm at this big white building here. I'm not sure what it is, but it looks great. We're just about to have lunch. Had some nice lunch, just about to catch the bus to Tanca, another city. Just about to leave Arequipa. Beautiful city, look at this. Absolutely fantastic. So, thank you Arequipa, see you next time. Heading to Tanca in this little bus. I think it's about 6 hours. So, see you in a bit, Tanca. Quick stopgap on the road from Arequipa to Tanca, and really there's nothing here except mountains. So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.